Welcome to the powerhouse of strength, Jai Raj Steel, where innovation, precision, and endurance forge the backbone of tomorrow. Jai Raj Atut FE 550D primary TMT bars is born from virgin metal iron ore. From the sinter plant to the blast furnace, every process reflects precision, producing hot metal with zero scrap and pure strength. Designed by Mekong and perfected with Danieli, Italy. Refined in an energy-optimizing furnace powered by Minitech Brazil. Through Danieli's endless casting and rolling, molten steel becomes flawless billets. Continuously rolled, precision cut, and uniformly cooled. Every detail perfected. The result? Jai Raj Atut FE 550D primary TMT bars, unmatched in strength, unrivaled in ductility, uncompromised in purity, driven by world-class technology, backed by expert metallurgists, trusted to build stronger homes, taller towers, and resilient infrastructure. Jai Raj Steels, forging the future with strength that lasts forever.